Okay, I want you to realize that since since you've become a member of Debit Card Profits, you don't just earn money through the Levels program and through the free affiliate program that we got here. You also earn money if you have a ClickBank username, because we have products in this pull down menu right here that is going to actually, if you sell them, you're going to make money. Let me click on that one there. Another page. Wow, really neat. See what I mean? If you are a member with a good ClickBank username, when the people come to your page, that's going to be encoded into your page, and they're going to click on this to buy this product, and it's going to open up another page here for ClickBank. Now, whoever is the person down at the bottom here, that would be you. That would have your ClickBank username in here, and that's the way that you could find out if my program is working for you. So just remember that you've got to have that ClickBank username, and it gets encoded into your page, and then any of these products in here, they can actually make you money. Easy ebook money. There we go. That's another one. And what affiliates make with the ClickBank products is 75% of that. So you would receive 75% of $27 on that particular one. So that's where the importance of the ClickBank program comes into, not just for the affiliate program, but also to make you money with products that we sell here at Debit Card Profits. Thank you.